can't get it. I don't think you can get it. Just open it. Okay, okay. Alright, so I'll do yellow, blue, yellow, blue. You put it back. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue.
I'm doing Christmas colors right now, Bonnie. I love Christmas. Well, Christmas is over.
Nah, it's upcoming.
Yeah, but it hasn't come yet.
It'll be here in 4 months. 4 long months.
Oh my gosh, what are you? Check me out, Chris.
You have 6. Yeah, you sure do. I thought you said 7.
I did.
Well then, you only have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's start over.
Okay. You said you
Let's
did.
start doing it. Bring all the money together. Bring all yours together.
Okay, pull that back up.
Oops. Remember, don't do this. That will fail.
Ooh.
Nope. And neither will it. Wait, no!
You said block you. I can block you, can I?
No! We're supposed to do... You're supposed to do red, yellow, yellow, blue.
Okay, fasten that, clean it back up.
We messed it up. Now we have to start all over all the time.
Alright, go ahead.
This time I'm doing my colors. Hey, Bonnie. This time I'm doing okay, don't block me this time, okay, Bonnie? That will fail. Next. It's your turn. So we're going this way. And then we're going to... Hey!
You're confusing me, Marissa. I mean, really, I'm just totally confused. Now you got 2 reds. What do you want me to put? See, I don't know what you're doing.
Sorry.
I'm confused.
I'm confusing myself too.
I know you are. Because you're supposed to be doing it that way. Vertical. Yeah, vertical. Not horizontal. Yeah, it's supposed to be vertical. Up and down.
Sorry, I just wanted to do exactly
Ooh.
Okay, now.
fail.
Okay, now put your red.
Got it. Okay, but then we're doing it.
Oh, now we're doing this, right?
Yep, this way.
All right.
Whoever draws these steps. Wait. Money.
Oh, I need to put one more.
Oh.
See, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Good. Good. Okay, now we're done. Oops. I got the Christmas colors going here. Oh my God, it's too hard. I want my stuff to fly. Hey. I love it. Christmas.
Burnout.
Whoever gets the 7 wins the game. Okay, my turn?
Put on the back side.
That's okay. Your turn, Bonnie. I got the Christmas colors. I'm confused. You said I can block you. Which I'm finding means the same thing. Not to mention the fact that okay, lock
Oh, watch out,
out.
watch out.
Hey, Demetrius, me and Bonnie are blocking each other. We can't get to. Hey, you guys. Would you I almost lost myself. Preparing in the middle of the night. Because this thing is broken.
Oh, no, God.
So, I got some Christmas cards going on.
You got it, you got it.
Summer and winter colors.
You can't buy it or you can't afford it?
Summer,
These are all my cards.
Oh!
I got 900.
Yeah, doo-doo.
Look at how much money I got.
Oh, Lord, yeah, drive, bro, drive that
We're
Bugatti.
gonna do something different.
Hey, put it to his max.
Okay?
Put it to his max.
Okay, get your colors.
my Christmas colors.
Because I had watched the video earlier on this. It had rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive versus
Forward-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I saw that video too.
Yeah, I liked it.
Alright, now you have to close your eyes. And you're going to have to pick out
Which one is this? All-wheel drive?
There's no, I can't change it all. It's only rear.
And I have to pick out
It's only rear-wheel drive.
Close your eyes. You're going to be...
Oh, look at that rear wing.
You got to pick out all red.
Look at that.
Oh, green.
I've been wanting to post a video on this, on the Bugatti.
Close your eyes. Close it. You look. Oh, we have to close it. And no looking. All right, go ahead.
God dang.
And no cheating, Marissa.
Just look at that.
You can't do that. You have to put it in. No, just pick them out. See, first of all, take
This
a
is
look
Veyron,
at them.
right?
Just look at them so
Alright.
you know where they are. Look at them.
Alright.
Take a look, okay?
I just confused myself.
Look, put the camera on me.
What's up?
Look, this the challenge.
Hold on, let me zoom out.
I just confused myself.
Okay, now just look
This
at
the
them. Look
challenge.
at where they
This
are,
what we gonna
okay?
do.
So you think you can pick them. Look at them. Stare at them so you
We're gonna make an all-wheel drive drifting.
I don't
Alright?
think I want to look at them. I just want to look.
All-wheel
I just
drive.
want to stare at them.
You pick the car you want me to make, and I'll
Did you
drift.
close that?
We finna do
And I'll
Bugatti.
tell you when to stop.
That thing right there. That Bugatti.
Green. Get another
And you said
green.
all-wheel drive drifting car?
And no cheating. You cheat.
Oh, God dang.
Close your eyes.
Sorry, I'm just covering.
Okay, close your eyes.
So look,
I'm just picking up colors.
the drive type, all-wheel drive. The mate has to be
Nah, no cheating.
Nah, bro.
class B.
They're green.
Or you want a lower
red.
But
class?
you can't look.
Nah, higher.
You cheating.
Higher.
No, you have to close your eyes.
Whoopsies.
Close your eyes.
Mate, okay. Mate, S2 or drifting car. Or S1. S1 or S2.
It's two.
Hey, in our class,
Oh, jump. My camera. Alright.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it is.
Hey, Case, is the car that you uses?
Oh, these are the cars I have.
Oh, well, do the
Oh,
green.
this Veyron is all-wheel drive.
Oh my gosh, look, that's
Well,
so
do
good.
A.
Oh, yeah, that's
What are these?
We gonna do the green Lambo.
Imagine
Are they eatable?
No, not eatable, but what? And
Hello.
the edible.
Edible.
No, it's not.
Hey man, where you been keeping yourself?
Okay, you gotta put them in. Okay, now put these in
At
with your
least
eyes
stop.
closed.
Stop. Alright, pick a card. This card, this card, this card, this card, this card, this card, this card.
What? They only
Yeah, one more.
Let's
left.
do
When you
the
finish
Lambo.
that, you pick up one more. Keep
The
your eyes
orange one.
closed.
I
Actually.
just saw
Oh,
it.
you're doing good.
Yeah.
Wow. One more.
Wait, where is it?
You know, there are many things I fail to take seriously.
One more.
Eugene, son,
Dang, I'm surprised my stories can go this long.
Which one you want? Which color?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Put them together. Wow.
Hold on. Slow down before. Slow down
Good
before.
job.
I think I take the blue.
Okay, you gotta look at yours first.
Get the yellow.
Okay, click on
Alright.
the blue suit.
Challenge
To the side.
is to make a drifting car out of this Lambo.
Alright.
And I'm gonna tell you when it's
Dude, what's up?
I should have given
None.
the plan more consideration.
Are you ready?
What you should have done
Start!
was stay in your
Good night.
kingdom, Frederick. Trevor. Your efforts to abscond with my sweet
So we're gonna
Trevor
do
Jr. were comical at best. Oh, yeah? Well, I don't think your seal's too happy.
Ooh, yes. Look at that thing.
Oh look, Dimitri, I made a paint job for this car. Hello. I made a paint job for this car.
Hey, but this the cook that got the wings, buddy.
Look at me. Look, put it on me.
All right, bro.
I make my own paint jobs, and I made a paint job for this car. So let me show you all.
Hey, you got 10 seconds.
Look at that Audi.
Crazy stuff.
Don't
I
that
didn't
look
know what
nice?
I was doing. I'm so blinded.
Oh, come on, you don't smell that bad. Plus,
Okay, you gotta do it all crazy like.
This is the design I made for this
Crazy
car.
person.
It's called what though?
Like your merch.
It's called what though? This is the paint design I made.
Crazy.
Zoom it in.
Person ever.
Zoom out a little bit. Right there. Successful.
You got 3 left.
Oh.
3 seconds. 3.
Oh my God, that is.
Yeah. 3.
That's a nice paint job.
I made it. I promise
Hold on. Do the whole car. I want to see the whole car.
0. Oh, let's see how you did.
I want to see the whole
You
thing.
did the best. So you
Look, so I did
Well,
apply
okay, let's
decals.
do the front. Yeah.
So the rear bumper got these three colors on it.
All right, take those out. Take these out. Let's do our other.
I mean the right side, the rear bumper.
Just view the whole car.
Wait, let's try
The
not to
hood.
get our hands.
Okay.
No, I got my
Finna put this in slow mo.
and the left
Okay,
side.
I wanted to do the.
Oh no, wait! I got
make
it.
my
So
own
we're gonna do
paint
this. So look what I'm doing. Look, you're
front
gonna have
bumper.
to stack these on top
You finna
of each
put
other.
this in
Watch me
slow-mo.
with your eyes closed, but your eyes have to be closed
All
like
right.
this. See, look.
Chris,
We're about to make this a
Stack
drifting
them.
car.
I'm gonna stack them.
You got it. Look, see with your eyes closed. You gotta do all
I'm gonna
those.
do red. I'm gonna do green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red.
Well,
green,
I haven't
But your
got
eyes
the.
have to be closed.
Yep.
So go ahead. All right, close your eyes. You better separate them.
I wanna do that.
I just have a lot of storage on my phone right now. Cause I didn't think I was gonna be able to do a video
All right,
this
go
long.
ahead.
I fell. Sorry.
You got it, and they can't fall. You have to stack them all the way up to the
Sorry,
top.
Bonnie. I could fail almost.
All right, go ahead, stack them up.
Is this green?
I can't tell you. I try to separate them.
I just want to do them Christmas like.
All right, go ahead.
Should I follow it?
And they can't fall. Make sure it doesn't fall.
Don't worry about it.
follow my lead.
And that's not cheating.
Okay.
Hasn't learned their lesson yet.
But you had the twin turbos?
Yes,
It's a drifting
Adam.
car,
Adam.
So why would I have twin turbos?
Oh wait, that's for speed. Never mind. I mean, it does make the engine more
It's not
powerful.
cheating, okay, Bonnie?
Okay.
If
Like
you-
it?
Yeah,
And it can't fall.
I'm just saying the turbos does make the engine more powerful.
Don't worry about it. It's already.
But
Making
yeah, that's
Just watch
that's the
this.
speed.
Just watch this. Look at the rims.
Idea for a prank I have ever heard.
But that's right. Keep your eyes open.
Make them
there.
things
If
black.
it falls, you're out.
All right, we about to drift this bad
Go
guy.
ahead.
All right, now.
I came for a rematch.
Is the library. You imbecile! This is my castle! I know where my library is! Agree to disagree. Prove it! You see.
You ready?
Forget
Mhm.
about your own top-notch security for a second.
Are you still playing something?
Yes.
It's gonna fall. It's leaning. Okay.
Making it so neat. I don't need little girl. I like Christmas. If I separate them, that means I'm gonna know what color they are. So I want to do it Christmas. Like there, it's a Christmas.
That's pretty. Yes. That's nice.
Guys, with all this nice, I can't concentrate.
What? We can't concentrate with you all things yelling.
You're stacking stuff. What if some of it falls?
You out. sometimes we don't.
Mm.
Sometimes you win, sometimes we lose.
I want to do it on there. Oh my gosh, I think I'm winning.
Okay. Okay,
Oh, that weird wing starting to come up.
Hey, man,
Let's see.
Did you do it? Did you get the seal? Unfortunately, no, Captain. However, Eugene came up with something far better.
No, I want to keep it steady. I'm gonna hold it, Bonnie. Okay. I want to keep it steady. God.
Let's see. Turn this in it. Turn it.
I'm Devin Key, and we're your hosts of all new Disney Channel comedy.
No, hold it. Watch, right. See that part? Okay, you want to separate them? Okay. Don't knock the other one down.
Starting at 8.
Oops.
Let me start over. I should have counted better. Honey, you should have already counted.
Okay, I'm gonna stop putting mine together.
Bonnie, you should have already counted.
Okay, well I'm gonna make mine stay.
And you're watching Disney
Bonnie,
Channel.
wait, you're not finished with this.
That's alright. We can do them at the same time.
Okay.
Hey, watch out.
Sorry, Demetrius. Honey, if some of it falls, then that's alright. We're just gonna try again.
Okay, let's try it.
Oops. Oopsies. I'm making mistakes. Oopsies, I'm making mistakes. But I'm making a lot of mistakes.
Sorry.
No! Well, Bonnie, that's okay if some of it falls. Bonnie, it's okay. Oh my gosh, look!
Oh, that's what's his name?
Mickey!
Hey, watch out. Watch out.
Let me start over with mine.
This is the story of a girl named Rapunzel. And it starts with the sun. Once upon a time, a single drop of sunlight fell from heavens. And from this single drop of sun, grew magic grew. It had the ability to heal the sick and injured. Never even knowing she started the centuries passed, and then a flood came.
Oh man.
That's okay.
No.
If something falls, that's alright.
No, try it again.
She got sick.
When if something falls, that's okay. You just gotta try again.
Exactly. That's right.
People usually start to look for a miracle.
When the whole thing falls, well, that's okay.
Instead of sharing
We
the
can
sun,
just wait another time.
were sent to them for hundreds of years. And all she had to do was sing a special song.
Flower, bleed, and glow. Let your
Oopsies.
What is up? We're live from two cameras. Two cams. Alright, let's get it. You ready? Don't contest. Let's get it, Miners. Get it. Stay right there. I don't know what he just did, y'all. It's my turn. I'll do it.
I can do this shit, right?
I'll do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Step back. And that is it for this video. Pause and subscribe. So shy. You just.
Did not.
What is up? It's finna be a dunk contest.
Dunk contest on the way.
Wow.
Turn up. Don't forget to subscribe.
I got taller since my last dunk videos, and basically anybody can do it. Even a little midget that's about the size of my height of a socks. Let's get right into the video. Same thing. For you, one. And when it's in the air, catch it and jam it, alright? Good position, Agnes. Get that? 3, 2, 1.
My goodness, that's quite the giveaway you have there.
Ain't that happen? He almost put a hole in the wall with this. You can seriously knock somebody out with this. Oh my god. Most funniest and most retarded video I ever did. Go ahead and cut the video.
Got your boy Chris here versus Tattooed Suck Kaka Judy. I don't know his name. But you know, this is for America. You know what I'm talking about? Dimitri, you got something to say about it?
Nah. All I gotta say is my thumb broke. All I gotta say. I got a video for that later.
Follow him at D Clarke, that is his. Follow me at Cboy 32405, that's me.
Speaking of which, if you research my name, you might want to keep scrolling until you see a pentagon. Because there's a lot of me out there.
I'm unique, so mine pop up right there.
Yeah, that's just him.
For this featherweight fight.
What do you think, B?
Black Mamba, Tatsuya Kawajiri. Here we go! Fight scheduled for 5 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Kawajiri.
God.
Black trunks for Black Mamba. And he parries that shot. Kawajiri caught by that solid.
Shit.
Elbow to the head. Swing and a miss. Oh, and he lands the head kick. Oh, head kick to kick. Nice jab. Caught him early. Oh, he is clean off here. Hammer fist. He's all over. Beautiful strike here to end the fight early in the first.
He didn't even last the first round. Come on now, I'm a beast, bro.
Let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly in big, big trouble. Let's take a look at it one more time. Here's the knockdown. Vicious strike. Look at this. Boom! And that is all she wrote. Here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee has stop this contest at 48 seconds, very first round. Declare the winner.
Knockout! Black Mamba!
Black Mamba wins by knockout.
Hold on, how many rounds was this? Bro, blow up the store. So, it's your boy D Clarke. Didn't seem too excited in my first video until I almost broke the wall with this green cast. By the way, my favorite color. Yeah, this is totally different. No dump, nothing. You like hot potato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hot potato.
This will measure up.
And I may use my right hand, but it won't break nothing. Man, hey, man, chill. Not good. And that's what happens when your thumb broke.
Look. Let's get it. Alright, so this is gonna be running. This will catch the runoff. That will catch the takeoff. Alright, so what we're basically doing is this.
Let me take my shoes off. I'm gonna fall down. I'm gonna kick the piano. I'm taking my shoes off.
Please do. I'm gonna show a demonstration.
Oh God.
I'm gonna show a demonstration. Watch out.
Demonstration.
Go.
Hopefully nothing breaks.
Just follow my lead.
Oh.
Follow my lead. Alright, now from right here. We have some news. Let's go. Alright. Is it advancing time?
He said.
He said advancing time. Stop.
What he said.
What's your name?
This time. Go to your camera and say, this time we're gonna be dunking over this. This time.
We're gonna be dunking over this. So I may have told a little white lie, but I didn't know what we were doing. So we're dunking. Over to the piano. Hey man, quit with the ball.
You're not dunking. I don't want you to put a hole in the wall.
I'm not gonna put a hole in the wall. He's lying.
Throw the ball.
I'm not putting a hole in the wall. I'm using my right hand. I mean my left hand.
Oh. Watch out, Mitch. Cheer me on.
Alright. Don't break it.
Charles has gone these 15 years getting to know me.
I stalled right here. That's bad. I stalled, y'all. I stalled.
How do you think being different is bad?
Not a picture. You catch a ball. Come right here to my camera. Come right here. This is what I'm gonna do. You go this way. You go this way. No. So this is what we're gonna do. We me and you. I'm a jog. You gonna slightly jog with me. Huh? So look, I'm a jog, so we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3. Yours should be right here jumping. I'm gonna do this. And you gonna come with your left hand and just catch it in midair. I'll stop the camera so there are more angles. You ready? Go back. 3, 2, 1. That is it for this video. Like and subscribe.
Alright, I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe below. Yeah, didn't break anything this time. Everything was smooth. Alright, bye. Because I want to.
Well, I just said, but you know, we just gonna realize like I realized what I realized. What I just
Sorry.
said. And you got 2 crying laughing emojis. Haha, very funny. No, you're not funny.
Oh yeah.
You're not. Period.
Oh
yeah.
Boy, you look like an alien child. I look like a pure
Who that is?
killer.
Oh yeah, first okay.
I look like a pure killer, mate. Mate. You don't want this, dude. You don't want this, bro.
Don't get knocked out.
Bro. You don't want this left-hand jab, bro. You don't want this, bro. I am 18, bro.
You're gonna knock.
Bro.
That's a lie, bro. You're not 18.
Bro, I will knock you raw, bro. I will knock you raw, bro.
He's 29.
I will knock you raw, bro. I'll touch gloves with you.
I'm hilarious.
I'll knock gloves with you. Come here, bro. You get a kick. You get a kick. You get a kick. You get a come here, child. You get another kick. Oh yeah. Oh, come here, child. Come here, child. We finna throw these hands, child. We out here ghetto. We ghetto babies out here. Ghetto babies. Ghetto babies. Ghetto babies out here in these streets.
Oh my god.
I get my hands from the street. Step out here, dog.
Oh.
Come here.
Bitch,
Come
you
here,
want
let
to
me
throw a
stand.
punch?
Oh, no.
Bitch, you want to throw a punch?
Bet. I'm not gonna throw a punch. I'm gonna throw a kick. Come here, child. Come here, my child. Come here, my child. Oh, he tired. Block. Stand back. Get back out. Get back out here. No, child. Oh, Jesus, child.
Oh, no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, no.
Oh, Jesus, child. This looks very gay, bro. Oh, no, bro. Bro. I don't mess with all that. You get a kick. You get a burger. You get another burger. Oh, get back, bro. Get back, bro. Slide back, bro. Slide in the DMs, bro. Bro. Get parried. Get parried. Come here.
Get out.
Oh, you get a kick. You get a kick.
Oh my god.
You get a kick.
Oh, yes.
You get another.
Punch.
Okay. Oh! Woo! You saw that Brazilian kick? Oh, block. Jose. Boy, I thought your name was Jose. Come here, child.
It is Jose.
Come here, child. They
Jesus.
said Jose. They said
Oh,
Jose.
Jesus. Oh,
No,
Jesus.
Jose.
Oh,
They
my
said
god.
Jose, my child.
Oh.
Jose.
They said Jose.
Oh.
Are you Jose or Jose?
Jose.
Oh, Jesus.
You rock, my boy. You rock.
Jose.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna have mercy on you.
Man, do it, man. No,
I'm gonna have mercy on you.
man, no
I'm
mercy.
gonna have mercy.
No
I'm gonna have
mercy.
mercy.
No mercy.
I'm gonna have mercy, bro.
No
I'ma have
mercy.
mercy.
No mercy, bro.
He's an old person. He's an old feller. He's old.
No,
Oh my
He don't
god.
deserve the orangutan whips. He don't deserve these.
Oh, look at
He don't deserve these.
no mercy.
These
hands.
Planet of the Apes type orangutan punches like that. He don't deserve them. He's old.
Bruh.
He don't deserve it. He
How
gets
old?
one. He
How
get
old?
one.
How old?
He's 29.
That's not
That,
even
now
old,
that I think
bro.
about, that's not old. You should have got whacked.
Man,
You should
that's
have.
why I said no mercy.
Nigga,
bro.
what do you think about this? What did you think about this fight? What did you think about this
He
fight?
didn't last the first round. Come on now.
Black Mamba.
Just like the last video we did. Come on now.
These boys don't last one round. I haven't played this game for 5 months.
Well, technically 4.
And I'm come back knocking folk out. Really, dude.
I got the video to prove it.
We
Oh, yeah.
got my boy.
Going out to all
My
my
boy.
subs, all 22
My
of my
boy.
subs.
Go. Oh, that was Goldish? Oh, that was Goldish?
Going out to all 22 of my
Oh,
subs,
Lord. I
baby.
didn't know it was that Goldish, bro.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm about to start this recording.